Welcome to the Motor Muse. For starters, let's talk about what motorcycle you should buy for the kind of riding you do. As you all know, adventure motorcycling segment is the fastest growing motorcycling segment. If you want to ride through multiple terrains and want to explore lots of places, adventure motorcycle is the way to go. One of the major advantages is its practicality, luggage carrying capacities, etc. If you are looking for an all-round good motorcycle, I think mid-weight adventure motorcycle is the right choice for beginners. I did a big mistake by getting a large capacity motorcycle to start with. While this is really good on road, off-road, the weight is a big downside for large ADVs. So I recommend something like KTM 790 or Tenere 700. Pretty good motorcycles to start off with. And this F900 GS, which recently got launched, looks very promising. Most of the adventure motorcycles are built to add customizations on the top of it to make it your own. So I've customized this over the last 1.5 years to best suit for my riding. Customization is also not going to be so straightforward. You'll have to do multiple trial and errors, which works the best. So I ride this R1250 GS from BMW. It's a 2022 model. Crash guards are, given. I think most of you all know that that's the most important accessory that you need to get. Irrespective of your height, your riding position, getting handlebar raisers is really important. You can choose the right ones for your motorcycle. Invest in that. You will definitely not regret, and that's the most important one. When you're riding off-road, to get a good riding position standing, you definitely need to invest in handlebar raisers. Now I've got these foldable adjustable mirrors. While you ride off-road, there's high chance of getting hurt by the mirrors. You're bound to fall when you ride off-road, and these are something that will save you, so that when you ride off-road, you fold it and then start riding. You also need to invest in good tires. It makes a huge difference when you ride off-road. Based on the kind of terrain you ride, you need to get the right off-road tires. I am right now using Moto's Tractionator Adventure. It's an Australian company called Moto's. I used to use more off-road biased tires, 80/20 from Moto's. It's called Tractionator RALs. While they are like really good on sand, they struggle on road. The kind of road noise it makes. After buying an adventure motorcycle, people will start thinking about buying a luggage system for riding long distances. I have done a big mistake by buying a hard luggage system from BMW. Later I realized if you have to do multi-terrain riding, you will most gonna be falling down multiple times. A hard luggage is a very bad idea. Invest in a good soft luggage system. There are plenty of them out there. I'm using soft panniers from Moscow Moto. They are pretty good. So far I've been very happy with it. I wouldn't recommend tank bag. I use tank bag for a very long period of time, but it is not very comfortable when you ride off-road. When you stand and ride, it's going to be obstructing your position when you stand and ride. So I wouldn't recommend that, but a lot of people use it. It's your personal choice. But one thing to remember is do not rush into buying a lot of things at once. Take your time to find the right fit for your kind of riding. If you want to start your adventure motorcycling journey, start off with a mid-size adventure bike. Don't go with a lightweight one or a heavy one. The mid ones are like really good. And that's all for today. See you in the next video.